Looking for a fresh start in Europe? Bulgaria is hiring, and this could be your chance to build a better future. Right now, there are job openings in warehouses, factories, and seasonal positions offering stable employment and competitive salaries that reward your hard work. But that's not all. Many employers provide free housing, making it easier for you to settle in and focus on your new job without worrying about accommodation costs. And beyond work, Bulgaria offers an incredible lifestyle. From its stunning landscapes to its rich cultural heritage, living in Bulgaria means experiencing Europe in a whole new way. At Stellar Migration, we make the process simple, guiding you every step of the way to secure your work permit and start your European adventure. Why wait? Opportunities like this don't come often. Apply now and take the first step toward working and living in Bulgaria.